So if you've been using Claude Code and Antigravity a lot recently, you would know that there's a massive lack in its ability to create design systems. Now, we did find a little solution for that using Claude Design or Google Stitch, but these do have their own limitations, and even those have their own flaws. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to steal some of the top companies' design systems so that you could implement some of their design systems that are already proven winners straight into your own website or SaaS. Now, someone on GitHub actually leaked a bunch of design.md files based on some of the top companies. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys the GitHub repo and how you can use these components to create your own product. So let's get straight into it. All right, so this is the GitHub repo right here. It's called Awesome-DESIGN.md. And if you scroll down over here, we could see the companies that it stole design systems from. We have Claude, 11 Labs, Cursor, ClickHouse, Cal.com, Intercom, Airtable, Binance, Airbnb, Apple, Nvidia, Pinterest, some of the top brands that already have proven design systems that they spent thousands of dollars on to figure out what exactly works. And now we can literally just steal one of their designs and iterate on it to create our own. So over here, I created 8 landing pages for these companies using these stolen design systems so I could show you how accurate they really are. So we have Apple right here. Apple has that really clean font, super minimalistic, as you can see, even the navigation. Now we're missing some pictures because I told it not to create pictures, just a very generic landing page. But I just wanted to show you guys how it looks using the design system to create a landing page. So you can see the buttons are the exact same. The roundness of the corners are also the exact same. The font size, everything taken straight from Apple's design system. Now here we also have Stripe. If we go into that, as you can see, we have Stripe right here. The font, exact same as Stripe. And overall, when we go on these pages, you could almost tell what company it is just by looking at it. That's how branded these design systems are. Now, if we go to Vercel right here, as you can see, also looks super clean. The buttons and the spacing between everything, even the text over here with the font, looks very, very clean. Here we have Spotify. So for Spotify, it literally recreated the Spotify homepage or whatever. It's pretty crazy that it was able to do this. As you can see, it even has the elements for the play button. And overall, like, you can just tell that this is Spotify. Here we have Linear. This would be a nice one to use if you're creating a SaaS, super clean. I really like the font on this one. Here we have Figma. As you can see, super colorful, super in your face, super big font. And then here we have Airbnb. As you can see, we have all the components over here. Even the navigation, it got it spot on. I wouldn't even have to tell you that this is Airbnb, and just from the overall vibe, you can clearly tell that the design system is straight from Airbnb. And then last but not least, here we have Claude, and you can see this looks exactly like how Claude's own website looks. So now you can see how powerful using a design system is. Even with a super weak prompt, you're able to get much better results. Now, I want to show you guys how you can use this to create your own landing pages and then iterate on that to make it your own unique landing page. So I have Antigravity pulled up right here, and all I did was I did a pull request to that repo, and I created a project where I have all the design.md files right here. So each of these folders have their own brand design.md file. So for example, if I click on Airbnb and then I click on design.md, you can see all this super long text file right here. And this just contains all the text on their design system. So basically the visual theme and atmosphere, the color palette and roles, the premium tiers, the surface and shadows, typography rules, everything there is to know about their design system is in this design.md. So that when you create a new landing page, you can just tag this design.md file to your agent and it can read through it before it even creates the landing page to make sure to use those design systems. So for example, if I wanted to create a landing page heavily inspired by Claude, all I gotta do is take the design system here and just write the prompt about what you want to create your landing page about. So for example, I'm just gonna do a super simple quick prompt, create a landing page for my AI automation agency, and I'm gonna let that run and show you guys what it creates. All right, and this is what it created using the Claude Design.md. Now I did tell it to change the color to blue instead of orange, just so it's a little more unique. And you can already see that just by changing the color to blue, it already looks more like its own site. This is a literally one-shot prompt. You saw the prompt I put and I got this. This is already an amazing starting point to create a website, much better than if you're not using a design system. Now, obviously, you can do more iterations, you can play around with the font and everything, but their design system is already proven to work. So I wouldn't play around too much with it. Just make sure, you still make it unique so that it's not an exact copy. This should really help you guys. With getting cleaner landing pages instead of that AI slop that, Claude Code and Antigravity always gives you. Either way, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like and a subscribe. Also, if you want to become a professional at building with AI, make sure to join my school community down below. Either way, I hope you have a great rest of your day and see y'all in the next one. Peace.